In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can combine multiple layers or multiple videos in CapCut as a whole or as one. So it's simple and easy. Let me show you guys how to do this. So you can see I'm going to use two scenarios. So this is the first scenario on different layers. So you can see there's a text, there's a video, there's an image. I want to combine all into a single track. You get it? So all is going to be added here. So what I need to do is press Ctrl+A to select everything, just like you do on your keyboard. And now you right click here. Good. And then you create a compound clip. Good. So you see all of them has been added. Simple and easy. Ctrl+A to select everything, every layer. You get it? And then you right click. You create a compound. You get it? You can undo it. If you want to undo it, you undo it here. Good. And you come back to normal, or you can revert using this to come back to normal. So now let me show you guys a different one. You want to add a clip. So this is a different video. I added it on a different layer. So I hold it and I drag it here. Good. So it's like I want to add it to this. So now what I need to do is do the same thing. Some people will teach you to select this, and then you add it. Simple and easy. You know what to do. Just press your Ctrl+A. Select everything. Come here. You create a compound clip. Simple, simple, simple. Creating a compound clip has a shortcut, Alt and something. Let me come here. Good. You can see Alt and G, but some of the keyboards are not going to work. My laptop is weird. Some of the shortcuts doesn't work on it. So that's it on how you can combine all layers or combine clips in CapCut. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you an answer on that. That's it for the video. Peace.